Hey guys, today I'm just gonna be doing a mukbang. I know I look very tired and that because I am. But we're gonna be doing some noodles challenge. Some noodles. Oops, sorry, noodles. So this is just a mukbang technically, so yeah. Meh. Alright. Got a bowl of noodles here. Let's see if it's hot. These are a bit spicy. Wow. They are spicy. For real. Yeah, I might need to blow it. They are spicy. Woo. Alright, let's get a drink. With a big Sprite. Sprite is one of my favorite fizzy drinks. Comment down below what is your favorite fizzy drink. Alright. Ooh. Ooh. Pardon? Every time I drink fizzy drink, makes my eyes water. Alright. Delicious. Spicy, but delicious. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but so yeah. Yeah, I haven't done a mukbang before, but yeah, this is my first time, I guess. Ooh. Sorry if I'm drinking a lot. It is a bit spicy. Once I saw this mukbanger, he was doing this. Just picking his noodles up and dropping it. Kind of crazy, right? Wow. Yeah. So, yikes. So this is how much I have left. Ooh, we hit it spicy. Oh, spicy. Alright. I'm gonna pick up my noodles this time so you can actually see the bowl. Alright. Let's do this. I need another drink. It's like it's like twice of what I'm gonna have. Whew. But it's good and delicious. Don't mind about the spice. It is delicious, but I don't know why, but it tastes like nothing. I don't know if I lost my sense of taste or like my taste buds. Are they gone, guys? I don't know. And I can taste the Sprite. Meh, who cares? So everybody, have you ever had done your first mukbang? Because this is mine. It's like that movie where, you know, the prince goes to save the princess in that castle and he has to defeat the dragon and the prince chops off her hair. This is her hair. Take it. And then it falls off. And then imagine that her hair is this long and then it falls off because it's just a wig. Then the prince is like, never mind, I changed my mind. Imagine that. Sorry, guys. Woo. I'm dealing with spice. Meanwhile, my dog is just vibing out. I'm almost done, guys. I just gotta finish the remains. Just because I want to. Just for fun. Oof. But, yeah, that's that. So, yeah. Oof. Oh, that's close. I thought I almost put the end. Whew. Alright. Whew. I know Sprite. I know milk is better. And fizzy and water makes it worse. If you hear that clicking, that's just my dog. And I just use Sprite. I'm just drinking Sprite because it's actually not that spicy. I'm just using Sprite just to drink. Done, guys. All done. Yeah. Yep. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and the notifications on if you want to hear more about my videos. And sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. Yeah. So yeah, that's done. I might make more videos about me playing Just Cause or like ACMR or something. So if you want to know about that, turn on notifications and I'll send you, and you'll hear about the videos. Alright, ready? Peace.